Are you a slow walker? If you are, that's totally fine. But if you want to gain the ability to walk faster, here's a routine to help with just that. It all starts with hip mobility. You're definitely going to need that. There are a few exercises you can do. Here are 3 standing ones. Since we're focusing on walking, we're going to keep it standing and dynamic. Next, we're going to focus on building strength in our ankles and feet. We're going to keep up with the walking, but this time we're going to go on our tippy toes and our heels. This will also strengthen our calves and tibialis muscles, which all contribute to our walking stamina and speed. Now you're going to need to improve your balance and coordination. Skaters are a great exercise to help with that. Start slow at first, and as you get better, increase your speed just like this. And most importantly, we're going to have to train those fast twitch muscles. These are called quick feet. Shuffle those feet as fast as you can. Jump rope is also a great workout for speed. If you don't have one, just pretend you do. Now back to your hip flexors, we're going to need to work on its endurance. Do high knees, hold for a few seconds, and switch. If you have light weights, practice walking with them. Whether they're dumbbells or ankle weights, after training with them, as soon as you walk without them, you'll feel light as a feather. Now finally, you're going to need to be a little bit more flexible in your calves. Here's a little stretch you can do by the wall. Hope this helps. Let me know your progress.